it's more scenic this way.
Yeah.
In a quarter mile, at the traffic circle, continue straight to stay on North Switzer Canyon Drive.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
What's that?
So,
What's that?
oh Daisy, you came and was there without asking. Then you came to Taco Bell and ate with me.
You're a composer also now.
Yep.
We're near 74 miles.
Like so,
Is that miles?
7,000 feet above ground. I mean, elevation. Probably when you get to the top.
We forgot to clean our car.
We did clean it. I got more bugs on it on the way here. I'm gonna try that. Let me see how it works.
Yeah. Let's see.
Not really.
No, yo, it's okay.
It
They
was
will understand that we've been to the desert.
Yeah. They're huge. I mean, I can't even describe it.
Mm-hmm.
Like hundreds of feet wide. Like they're gigantic.
Wow. These trees are so different. They are tall.
Yeah. I don't know what kind of trees these are. It's pine, I guess.
Wow. This is wow. Wow. What's that? There's a village, love.
Nordic village.
Yeah.
They're like trying to recreate something.
Mm-hmm.
'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight. Tomorrow, I'll be holding you tight. And there's nothing.
Look at that. That's beautiful. Mm-hmm. Wow. Babe, we're the only people here.
I know, it's kind of crazy.
Oh, we're the only people here.
It's scary. I feel like in the desert.
Uh-huh.
This isn't like a well-trafficked road or anything.
Mm-hmm. Okay. That's a cute house there. Let me get that. I keep on praying.
Yeah.
Oh.
I feel like I'm in a safari or something.
Wow.
It's gonna be hard.
Wow. This is beautiful. I'm going to upload this vlog to my YouTube channel.
Sure.
Give me time to edit. I can do it, yeah, after our honeymoon trip.
Yeah.
Wow. So beautiful. I can can't stop. I can't stop taking a video.
Surprised you don't run out of space.
Oh no, we still have 1 week. I don't have space already. I think I still have. Oh wow. Looks like this is endless.
I know.
Endless
Eventually it gets
love. An endless love. An endless road. Endless road. How long? How
About 50 minutes.
50 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
That's still far.
Yeah. Grand Canyon, 37 miles.
What?
It said 37 miles.
Wow. 37 miles. Here we come. No bathrooms.
Daisy really has to go.
Yeah, and the nature is calling me. Just kidding. That's nice.
Tour buses.
Wow, I like the flowers.
I'll get you. If we're late. So we can go there or come back maybe.
I'll just walk around.
I don't know if you have to see the visitor center.
Hmm?
I really just want to see the outside. Buffalo.
Wow.
Like real size.
Real size love.
Yeah.
Just like that.
That's what it looks like.
Really? That's so big. That's
$40. Yeah, it's hot. Don't get that. There's a lot of like Koreans here.
yeah.
Yeah.
I saw it. I saw them inside.
Like Indian jewelry. It's a geode.
What?
Geode. Just don't touch it.
Yeah, look, the different stones.
Stones. Just don't pick them up.
Hmm?
Just don't touch. They're magnets. Too.
What's this?
Like fool's gold, I think. Pyrite.
Mm-hmm. What do you call this shop, love?
Just like a gift shop.
That's a
Amethyst.
heart.
Oh, there's the stuff.
Oh, let's take a look.
Just the wood carvings. Oh, sorry. Let's
So that one, I think for the fridge, love.
Which one looks good?
Which one you want to get?
Oh, that's nice.
Arizona?
It's snow.
Oh, how on other side, love?
It's like cute looking. Yeah. That's that cool. I like the ones that are like 3D, kind of.
3D.
Like they stand out.
Mm-hmm. Something like this.
Yeah, kind of like that. It just says Grand Canyon.
Mm-hmm.
Well, maybe
Oh,
something
yeah.
like that. Maybe
Mm-hmm. That's cute.
I do like that one actually. Yeah. That's kind of what it looks like in the sunset.
They
Oh,
have
that's a
30.
good song. This is Randy Travis.
Oh,
They're playing. I think I sent this to you.
really?
Maybe. Yeah, I sent this one to you.
Which one? I think this one.
Yeah.
The red. Yeah, there's more. Try to see if there's more,
3D.
you know.
I think that's gonna be
How much is that, love?
$10.
$10.
It's high, but it's okay.
Oh, there's a cactus here, love. Oh, love. You have
You should get this.
let's try to find your name. Oh,
Bottle opener.
let's find your name.
Friend knife.
Yeah,
I can
name.
find my name. It's rare.
Yeah.
Well, it should be over here.
Dustin. Dustin has.
Oh, maybe here.
There's
Wayne.
Wayne. Are you Wayne?
W. Good W.
Wayne. How about my papa?
Dante?
Dante? There is Dante? Is there any Dante there? See, Calvin. There is Calvin here.
No Dante.
No Dante. Daniel. Ah, Daniel has. What is this lab? Lab, what's that?
Totem, like Indian.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, there's another heart lab.
Yeah, keep going.
Oh, there's eagle lab. You are looking
What
for
do you mean?
eagle, right?
No.
Here?
Why am I looking for eagle?
What?
Why am I looking for eagle?
Oh, just the Philippine eagle.
Oh.
There's ice cream. Ice cream. Anderson's ice cream. Oh, that's cute. How much? $4. So, nandito kami sa gift shop. Stop over to bago mag Grand Canyon. Just checking habang nasa bathroom si Wade. Oh, this is cute. How much? $19. That's cute. Oh, grape. There's a heart shape. Look at that heart. That's expensive heart.
Oh, I'm sure. 450. Pocket knife.
Is there any Dante? Dante.
Alphabetical. Is Richard and Ricardo?
Ricardo. Where is Wade?
Yeah, on the bottom.
Wade? Where is Wade? Oh, here. That big like that?
I think so.
That's
Yeah,
a real love?
That's just a regular brown bear, I think.
That's real?
It was dead.
That's beautiful. Oh, what's that? What's on the top log?
That's that coyote we saw on the road.
Oh,
That's what we saw. I already got a hat.
Grand Canyon State. Okay. We're gonna. We can go. Oh, I want to have a photo of that.
It's like a elk.
That's so big.
Maybe an elk. It's either
Okay, I'll take a photo of you there, babe. There's a wood. Are they selling this, love?
You need to burn firewood, yeah.
The flower side. That one. This is beautiful. Oh, there's a real, life-size beer. Beer.
Yeah.
Here with Sorry, I cannot pronounce it right. That's why you're laughing. Here. Love. Maybe that one or not.